Hello, welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to make a Arabic style dry or Nashif beef and eggplant. Very simple. We're going to go through a process of me cooking that beef because that beef is a stewing beef. I want to get it nice and tender, so we're going to boil it out a little bit. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Before we get started on looking at the ingredients, just want to let you know that the amounts of everything are in the text below. Okay, so we've got some eggplant there. We've got beef cubed, fresh tomatoes, onion, garlic, tomato paste. And then we've got salt, pepper, cardamom powder, coriander powder, turmeric, and cumin. We're going to start this off with some oil. Okay, so I've got my pan here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use something different if you want. And what we're going to do is drop in our cubed beef. And we need to cook this for about 6 minutes on a medium heat. Just the beef by itself. We need to really kind of get this on the go. So give it a stir every now and then. I'll see you in about 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, so you see that's got some nice colour on it. Now, this beef is not the best quality of beef, so unless you're using a beautiful filet steak or something, you need to cook this for a long time. And that's, like I said, that's quite hard. I want this to be super tender. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add some water. We're going to do a process of cooking it with water. I'm going to turn the heat to maximum and let it go now. Let it boil and let it steam out. Let the water evaporate. It's probably going to take about another 7 minutes, but it's really going to help. So like I say, if you've got a beautiful expensive cut, go for it. If you've got something more like a stewing beef that I've got, you need to do this process, otherwise you're going to end up with a plate of rubber. Okay, so as you can see, all the water's evaporated. Now it really is essential that you do that, because you really are going to end up, if you're using a stewing beef like me, with completely tough meat. It's not going to be good at all. Let's move on now we've done that process. By the way, if you wanted, you could pressure cook that for speed. Let's get our onion in. And our garlic. And let's stay on this vibrant heat, fairly high heat. We're going to go just for 2 to 3 minutes. Wonderful stuff. Let's get some spices in there now. So salt and pepper and cardamom powder. Teaspoon each here. Same here for the turmeric, cumin and coriander powder. Quick mix. Now we're going to drop in our eggplant. And again, staying on this heat, let's go for 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring often now. There you go, that's about 4 minutes. We're now going to drop in fresh tomato. And what we want to happen here now is for our tomatoes to break down, and they will give off some moisture depending on how ripe or juicy they are. It's probably going to take about 5 minutes here. Stir often. Okay, now we need to get the heat on a simmer. We're going to add our tomato paste. I'm going to let this go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Really nice, low and slow. Give it a stir every now and then. I'm going to pop a lid on it. I'll be back in about 8 or 10 minutes. We should be done. Okay, off goes the heat, just taking that lid off obviously. And that is looking fantastic. Check that for salt. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.